I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we are making something from our cookbook.
Be a plant-based woman warrior. Live fair, stay bold.
Eat delicious. Okay, we're making green goddess sauce and dressing, which is on page 81.
And it's so good.
It's great. Okay, so the foundation of this sauce is cashews, and we have indicated in this cookbook, per our editor's request, please mark which recipes are heart disease friendly and which ones are not, or that can be sort of just one or two substitutions to make it heart friendly. So this one, to make this heart disease friendly, substitute drained and rinsed cannellini beans for the cashews. Today we're using cashews, but if you don't want to use cashews, try using
Cannellini beans.
Cannellini beans. Okay, so first thing we do is we take cashews, and I put these in the fridge with water. It starts off with just 3/4 cup of cashews. Can you read how high it is now? Like, look at they're like floating up to like, well, there's water here. Over a cup. So they expand. That's the reason you do this. The cashews get soft and friendly and supple. And can you just sort of pour the water out? Yeah. Just not in like crazy drain, but just pour all the water out. Thank you. Okay, so we have some cashews that have been soaked.
Poured water cashews.
Poured water?
Water poured.
Off of. We're going to add these to our Cuisinart, and I can put them in the sink. Thank you. And then what's so fun, and this is where I get I channel my mom with this. Now we're going to take 1/2 cup of tightly packed parsley. So can you grab, this is from her garden. Can you grab me just a hunk of that? I'm going to grab 1/2 cup of tightly packed basil.
Do you care about the stems?
No, not at all. You tell me that. So look, this is tightly packed. That's about 1/2 cup. But look, watch. Boom. It gets that. Oh. So that's, oh, God, it smells so good. Doesn't that smell so good?
I think this one smells good. Geez. Parsley just picked.
Oh, that is, so that, in that goes. Stems and all. In that goes. Stems and all. And then we also need some cilantro. And we have a bug. We had some slugs on them because it was straight from the garden. So here, I'm pulling out the cilantro. These stems are really kind of wet, so I'm just going to get rid of some of those soggy stems. Tightly packed. In it goes. Oh, I love the green goddess. That's the green of the green goddess there. Okay, thank you. Oh, that's good. So let's get this stuff out of the way. We keep all of our greens fresh in a little bowls of water or cups of water. Next thing we need is 3 tablespoons of lime juice. So can you squeeze that into the white dish, and we'll measure out 3 tablespoons of lime juice. And I need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I love mixing the mother in, or the stuff floating around. 1, 2. So any good sauce usually has some sort of...
Would you see how much you've got there? I think I need another.
I think you do. I think this is probably like 2. 1. Oh, it's exactly 2. Well, wait, we can get more out of this. No.
Good luck.
Were they hard ones? Were they not so good? Let's see.
I don't think you can get a whole. Maybe you can. No, you can't get a whole tablespoon.
Oh, I think we may have. Before you cut it, let's measure it. Before you cut it. That was getting
scant.
Okay, there. Now that. Oh, that got it to the top. So scant means that not quite enough.
Not quite enough.
Well, I'm scanting it. Wasn't that quite enough?
Actually, if you put the zest in, maybe that would make up.
No, I think. Oh, that more than did it. Okay, we have 3 tablespoons of lime on myself and in there, and then we're gonna add. This is just a little hint of maple syrup. Sweet. So, like we have found that lots of good sauces. We learned this when we were studying peanut sauces. They really want to have some sort of body for the sauce, like a cannellini beans or peanut butter or tahini or
hummus.
Hummus, some vehicle for like the everything, and then some spices or herbs, and a little bit of acid, a little bit of sweet, and a little bit of heat if you want. Like a peanut sauce has some heat to it. This has no heat to it. You can add it because one of our notes here at the end is like our young daring videographer, who I'm going to show you who. This is him right here. Hi. Our young daring videographer. I have lime all over my hand. Sorry. Digs this dressing, but they prefer a hot kick to the palate, so they squirt a swirl of sriracha to make this the hot green goddess dressing and sauce. But let's see what we have here. So we've got our cashews, we've got our parsley, cilantro, basil, lime juice, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup. Of course, there's a little bit of salt. Is always an option if it helps you to eat it. And then to make this a liquid dressing, you have to add 3/4 cup of water. So look at this right now. It's just like a, I mean, that's like a pesto or something. So we're going to add in our water, and this is going to make it turn into a sauce. I love that adding of water to any sort of blended nut or fat, it turns it white and creamy. You don't always like know it's coming, but it's really cool. Some people who use our cookbook, some people who use our cookbook are not looking at the instruction side, because water is sometimes not included as an ingredient, so they just get everything.
Which I think they should.
I know, we've our different book.
I called Jane the other day making a recipe that I had never made. I said, Jane, we're going to have to call the editors because there's a serious flaw. And it was just that I hadn't noticed that on the next page, at the end of the recipe, you had to add water.
You had like a 1/4 cup of water. I want to add a little bit more water. I think we have a lot more herbs than usual, which is kind of what we always do. But this is so yummy.
So fresh. We use this as a sauce, and you could use it as a salad dressing.
Yeah, just add more liquid or just pour it under, whatever. So, can you cut the red peppers into little slivers and we can try this? I'm going to actually do it quick. We've got so much, we have so much fiber in there. I would let this run for like 5 minutes. Oh, it's such a great bright green. It's getting greener and greener the more we blend it. Okay, let's dip that in. Wade, will you try it?
Sure.
Here she comes.
Oh, that's a lot. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, it's perfect.
Perfect amount.
What do we think we need? We need a little more acid? We need a little more water? He wants some heat.
No, I like it.
He
Lisa,
wants
you
a hot
need-
goddess. Where's the, here it is. Hot green goddess, here we come. Lisa, will you come try this? Sure. There we go. Thank you.
I love something that has so much
This is the best.
green.
Yeah. So what Wade was doing, and I think we had Wade and Top Shot here, Josh, that is, and they took the green goddess sauce after one of our events. We got green goddess sauce, and you guys were like, "Oh no, just swirl in like you did like that much."
Wow.
And can we get some more peppers? And you guys were like, "Oh, this is the way we do it." So let us know. This is how you like it.
Looks perfect.
You can do that much hot sauce.
I'm just gonna mix it up.
Oh. Hot goddess. Because
Yeah.
it's such a mellow sauce, and we love
It's
this.
mellow.
But we like to have this with things that need to be
let me
cooled
see.
a little bit. Oh, Mom, it's gonna be hot.
That's got a good kick at the end.
We like
my
this with
throat.
like Brian's red bean chili, which is kind of a spicy. This cools it a little bit. We like this in our Buddha bowl.
It's good.
Like I'm talking about cooling right now, and you guys are like on fire over there. Our cauliflower fritters which have some ginger and spice in them. That sounds like it's a baked good. It's not. It's like an Indian yummy, yummy. So I don't know, so many different ways, or as a dressing. So Green Goddess rocks. Soak your cashews, add your herbs, and give it a go. And add hot sauce if you like to have the hot goddess. All right, we're gonna keep eating the rest of this red pepper. It looks like. Let us know how you like your goddess. Hot? Was that a hot one again?
No, it's not a hot.
Okay.
I got the hot one.
Let us know how you like your Green Goddess sauce. All right, bye bye.
Bye.